before. Hopefully he's going to walk in the middle.
Misty's like, play with me.
Come on, kid.
Ready? Let's go up local.
Get him.
Okay. Here they come. Is that him right there, guys? Yeah.
Tiger's winning. Tiger's ruling.
Drop your hands. Don't you move. Look at me. Stare in my eyes and relax, okay? Okay, stare in my eyes. You're not staring in my eyes. Relax. What's your name?
You sure they're only playing?
Yeah, they're playing.
James what? Okay, under arrest. Got him, boys? Yeah. We'll do a search outside, okay?
As Tiger goes back to the fatal position after every attack.
Stand in front, down, stand in front. Lisa, come here.
And Misty just lies down.
Coming live in theaters. Cat versus Cat.
Oh, she was right. Misty, you didn't.
In the end, the Misty retreats. The Tiger stands tall.
Oh, wait.
But wait, what is this? Another epic battle!
The fatal position. He's in. Oh, he's in the. Oh.
Is Tiger surrendering?
Shut up.
Is this the end of Cat Wars as we know it? Oh, the cat is going after the other one. We must catch this on film. So, as we move, we shall go quickly.
Alex, you're so retarded. Misty stayed, Tiger left.
Okay, and as we watch the Tiger leave his prey behind. Stop! Cat Wars is now over! Ah! Ah!